How to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17. If you're having trouble finding or installing the game, stick around for the full step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, let's check if Geometry Dash 2.2 is officially available in the App Store. Open the App Store and search for Geometry Dash by Robetops Games. If it's available, simply purchase and download it directly. If you already bought the game before, you can re-download it from your purchased app section in the App Store. If you previously purchased Geometry Dash but can't find it, here's how to restore your purchase. Just open the App Store and tap on the profile icon in the top right. Go to Purchase History and simply search for Geometry Dash and tap on Download. If Geometry Dash 2.2 isn't available in your region, you can simply wait for the official release. The game is sometimes temporarily removed before updates, or you can also use a different Apple ID. And that's it. That's how you download Geometry Dash 2.2 on iPhone or iPad running iOS 17.